Alright, so when you're doing wallpaper, it makes it a lot easier to take all these little fixtures out. So anything like little nails on the wall and whatever that is, a little bracket type of thing. Take them all out before you're removing the wallpaper. It makes things a lot more smoother.
Take out loose plaster in the cracks so your filler will bond better.
Time to just go. You can't hide from the camera forever.
Can I peel this side then?
Go for it. Someone should just bang it up, really, actually. Should I bang it up? Someone will do as we go along. Actually, do you want to keep the wallpaper?
Yeah, likes it though.
Do you want it, Liam?
No, I find it pretty. I like the sparkles on it.
Oh. You didn't say Leanne's on a break. What is she doing? Okay, that was the easy part, just taking off the wallpaper, the first layer. This part is hard. Well, it's harder. So we've got to wet it, and we've got little spray bottles, any just reusable spray bottles, kind of use them. Did someone use coconut oil in this?
Oh yeah, probably.
It smells like coconut oil. Can you smell that? Trying to catch it on camera, you're just moving away. Okay. Okay, so this, what was it called, Leanne, again? What was it?
Lining paper.
Lining paper. So basically this lining paper on the wall, that's behind the wallpaper itself. It's a lot more sticky because it's got the glue attached to it. If you can try keeping it away from the carpet, because it just makes it a lot more difficult to remove it. It sticks to the carpet once it dries. So try and put it onto the initial wallpaper, which is this one, which is a lot better. And then you just have less of a hard time. Straight at the top, isn't it? So it works its way down, so anything rolls down.
I want to see what works too.
Yes. That's a spray. So that's my spray bottle. Oh. There's a spray. Like a string. Scraper's here.
Yesterday, you said.
Okay, look how easy it's coming off from the wall. Well, yeah, it's not too bad. It's almost as effective as the actual steamer. And what my dad is doing is just using a cloth, so any drips he can just push it into the actual wallpaper so it really gets in there, and it becomes a lot weaker.
Again, I'm wearing the wrong trousers, which are not that bad.
Well, you keep doing it. How many renovations do you need to learn, person? A bit more of a thumb rather than just recording the whole thing. Okay, so I'm not sure if you've seen one of these before. So they have a blade on it that's detachable, so you can reuse the blade. And what it does is removes wallpaper.
Wait, let me do a better shot.
No.
Huh?
It has to be real for the viewers. No fake to wet it. Do you want me to wet it at the same time? At the bottom. Sorry.
Put that on me.
Wait. It's dripping on my bloody hand. Oh, it's just...
Don't.
It's quite therapeutic, actually. Yeah. So therapeutic. That's clean. Oh, what the hell? I have to remove wallpaper from the walls and your bloody feet.